Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change project color icon in Asana. Now, if you look to the left hand side, you see I have some projects, right? And these have some colors. These are randomly selected when you create a project. However, you can change those colors if you want to. So I'm going to simply go ahead and just right click on any one of these projects and you can see it says a set color and icon. You can change that. Just simple select whatever you want. So let's say I want this to be shoes, for example. I can select that. Now once you change that, guys, keep in mind that you will not notice any difference on the left hand side. You'll have to click and open the project to actually see it. So right here you see that I change the color, but if I scroll and you see that I select the shoes, but you don't see any changes on the left hand side. So to see the actual change, click on a project. It's going to open up and now you can see the color and the icon change. And that's it. So that's how to easily change a project color and icon in Asana.